My name is Youssef Belkacemi.
What do you like about Serbia and Belgrade?
I love everything in Serbia. Everything is very fine in Serbia, and I will leave tomorrow, and I hope I can come back in the future and stay for 2 weeks, maybe in Serbia.
Which is the most popular sport in Europe?
We have many kind of sport, maybe all kinds of sports, but the most popular sport in Morocco is football.
What do you think about sport in primary school?
Yes, in Morocco we don't have obligation to have sport in primary school, but from 2009 we started a new program to introduce sport in the primary school. I can say that maybe about 40% school in Morocco now practice sport in the primary school.
What is the system of education in your country?
We have many levels like Serbia. We have preschool, we have primary school, we have secondary school, named college like French, and we have higher school named lycée like French.
Thank you.
You are welcome. And I'm